As part of our commitment to continue providing excellent and quality service to our entire university community, we have acquired new software that will make your enrollment process much easier and simpler. Just follow these steps. To start the enrollment process, you can enter through our website or by accessing the portal mypoly.pupr.edu. Log in with your username and password, and the platform will immediately request user authentication. To do this, you must have the Microsoft Authenticator app configured. Once you have confirmed access, the platform will direct you to our new student portal, where you can view different sections or cards that will allow you to complete your enrollment process. We will show you how to register for courses. To begin, select the Registration Self-Service card and click on Open Registration Dashboard. In this section, you will choose Register for Classes, where you will indicate the registration period for courses. A search tool will appear with various ways to select classes easily and quickly. Once you identify a course of interest, press the Add button to register in your class schedule. You can see a summary of your course selection at the bottom in the Summary section. You can also view a calendar with the weekly schedule organized according to the select classes. If you need to make any changes, return to the Summary section, identify what you want to remove, and in the Action column, press the arrow and select Drop. Once you have your class schedule ready, press the Submit button. To submit the payment, navigate to the upper left part of the page and select the Start button. You will return to the portal's main page to choose the Account Details card and click on the Pay Now section to submit the payment. You can review the enrollment breakdown by pressing the View Activity button. Check that everything is correct, and if you agree, you can submit the payment by pressing the Home button. In the Pay Here section, you can indicate the amount to pay, choosing between the total balance or a partial payment. Remember that a minimum payment of 50% of the total enrollment cost is required. Once you have selected the amount to pay, press the Go button and it will take you to indicate the payment method. If you have difficulty accessing MyPoly, send an email to helpdesk@pupr.edu. If you have any issues with the portal, open a service ticket at studentservice.pupr.edu. Remember, at Polytechnic University, we want to help you raise your aspirations.